Well, hello and welcome, guys. Today's topic is about Sushant Singh Rajput and especially about Riya Chakrabarti because she's the main accused, and all of we need 302 case in this case on Riya Chakrabarti. But the thing is that Riya Chakrabarti made shocking allegations against Sushant Singh Rajput and his family and sisters. Now the matter is that there's a report of the whole 2 pages where I have was written, and I want to also read it for you because Riya Chakrabarti has I'm going to show a letter of Riya Chakrabarti where she has also signed that she has signed it in the month of around in the month of September, and it was a charge sheet basically, and NCB has revealed that charge sheet yesterday, that what Riya Chakrabarti had said in her side, means अपने आप को बचाने के लिए रिया चक्रवर्ती ने क्या क्या कहा है वो कल मतलब एनसीबी ने रिवील किया था। उसकी पूरा वो जो उसने लिखा था और अपनी साइन की वो रिवील की थी, और उसमें से ये न्यूज़ है दैट रिया चक्रवर्ती चार्जशीट, द सोर्स इज जी मीडिया, रिया चक्रवर्ती चार्जशीट एंड हर कंप्लीट कन्फेशन टू द नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो एनसीबी in the relation to Sushant Singh Rajput drugs case, in which the actress has made some shocking allegations against Sushant Singh Rajput and his family. In the NCB charge sheet, Riya talks about the drug clomazepam. She also talk about now she has feared Sushant could have died when his sister Meetu Singh was living with him. She also stated that Sushant was addicted since before she met her. She was saying that Sushant was very addicted to drugs before she knows Sushant Singh Rajput, before they were in live-in relationships. So that the most shocking allegation, however, is that Sushant and his family did drugs together. After hearing this allegation, I want to keep Riya Chakrabarti in front of me and give a big slap on her. Well, I can't do it, but yes. From the starting, she was making allegation that Sushant take drugs. She was just 24/7. She just sing this song. But now, when NCB has opened this charge sheet, where Riya Chakrabarti was saying that she has revealed that Sushant take drugs, but even Sushant's family also takes drugs. This is the most stupidest thing Riya is doing right now. But yeah, she added her confession with the doctor. She confirmed to continue the prescription medicines as advised. Sushant was not doing well and his condition was worsening. Hence, Shovik was worried. What the hell? Why Shovik was worried? About clomazepam and its side effects, Riya then talked about Sushant's sister. I would also like to add that on 8 June 2020, not I would like to, Riya would like to add that on 8 June 2020, Sushant Singh Rajput received a WhatsApp message from his sister Priyanka Singh telling him to take Librem 10 mg, Nexatic, etc., which are drug under NDPS Act 1985. She allegates Priyanka Singh, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, that her sister, his sister Priyanka Singh was said to Sushant through a WhatsApp message that take this medicine called, the name is that Librem 10 mg, Nexatic, etc., which comes in drugs NDPS Act 1985. She has also provided a prescription from Dr. Tarun, who is also cardiologist, and has marked Sushant for OPD patient without consulting or meeting or online consultation with Sushant. And these medicines are not to given as the administrative without a psychologist consultation, she said. Riya Chakrabarti added that these drugs could have caused his ultimately death as the sister Meetu was living with him. Riya also stated that Sushant used to consume marijuana. Marijuana is a kind of a drug which made from the plants and flowers, which is not good for it. It is also included in the charas and ganja at all. She added that admit Sushant in hospital. She said that I want to admit Sushant in the hospital, but he was not ready to admit himself in the hospital. I would also like to add that Sushant's family member were aware of his marijuana addiction. I would also like to state that his sister Priyanka Singh and brother-in-law Siddharth were also consuming marijuana with Sushant and even procured the same of him. What the hell, Riya Chakrabarti? मैं इसको हिंदी में करना चाहूँगी. यहाँ पे रिया चक्रवर्ती ऐसा कह रही है दैट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बहन और उनके जो ब्रदर इन लॉ थे, मीन्स हस्बैंड ऑफ हिज सिस्टर, दे वर कंज्यूमिंग marijuana and they also procured Sushant Singh Rajput to take that drug marijuana. she was saying that उनकी बहन तो लेती थी और वो सुशांत को प्रोक्योर भी करती थी, एडवाइस भी देती थी कि तुम भी लो. व्हाट द हेल रिया चक्रवर्ती. एंड शी हैज आल्सो एलिगेटेड सारा अली खान व्हेन सारा अली खान यूज्ड टू when both of them they are doing the film Kedarnath, so she also allegates Sara Ali Khan. But yeah, more updates, more breaking is going to come in this case, but till then NCB has given this charge sheet about Riya Chakravarti. But yeah, stay tuned for more updates. And till now we need 302 case in this case on Riya Chakravarti, because it is very important to see all the corrupts in the jail and see all the corrupts hanged, because they are allegating Sushant and their family. Thank you for watching. Keep fighting justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you.